Good day. This is the first video tutorial on Designer. The Designer program is designed to create trading strategies using cubes. A user who cannot program can create a strategy using the constructor. The more experienced user can create unique cubes using the C# language. Let's see how you can download and install the program. Let's go to the StockSharp website. Choose the English or Russian version of the site. Sign up and log in. Go to the program page. Then to the download page. There are two types of distributions here: regular version and nightly build. We recommend downloading nightly builds. Download the archive with the latest program version. Once the archive is downloaded, let's go into the archive folder. Let's go into the archive properties and unblock it. This is necessary so that the operating system does not block operation with the archive. Unzip the archive. Let's enter the program folder and run the Designer file. In the window that appears, you can select Russian and English program versions. Select version for 64 or 32-bit systems. We recommend 64-bit version. When you check the box in the Remember Selection item, this menu will no longer appear. Click OK. So, the program is loaded. Let's take a look at the basic program settings. Various themes can be selected in the program. For example, white or black. A large selection of themes allows the user to choose the most convenient. To reset to factory settings, there is Reset Settings button in the program. Also, the user can customize the location of the program windows, setting them in a convenient place. The program will prompt where the window will be set. Consider the program menu. It is represented by the following sections. Schemas. Here is a tree of the main sections for working in the Designer. Consider these sections. Section composite elements, which are used in creating strategies, user strategies, and preset strategies. Strategies from the Strategy Gallery section. Real trading strategies. Section for working in programming mode, creating unique cubes. Next menu item, logs. It displays the program progress and errors that occur. You can track the strategy correctness as a whole. Next item, portfolio. This is a list of portfolios, accounts, and positions. Board editor item. The trading schedule for electronic board is displayed here. Market data item allows you to download market data for testing strategies. Chat item, allowing users to communicate. Strategy gallery item, where the user can purchase and install strategies from the store. Item to connect to real trading. Close all windows. Consider working with market data. Enter the market data item. First, we need to download instruments, for which we download market data. Click Download Instruments. In the menu that appears, select All Instruments. To select an instrument data source, select a source and click Add New. In the window that appears, click on the plus button, and from the list that appears, select the required source. Click on it twice and click OK. Select the source and click OK. Instruments loaded. Select the instrument we need from the list. For example, Cyberbank shares. Click on it twice to add. In the right window, you can set the required period, for which we want to download market data. Select the required candle timeframe. Configure the data storage. Local storage can be selected. In this case, data will be stored on the computer, or networked to store and download data from the server for access from any computer. To do this, you need to specify the server name in the settings. Log in and password to access it. Data can be saved in binary form, which takes up less space, or in CSV format, which can be opened with any text editor. After setting up the parameters, click on Start. Select the market data source and click OK. Market data downloaded. Let's see how strategy can be tested on the market data we downloaded. Let's choose the strategy preset in the program. Click on SMA strategy twice. We will consider this strategy in the following lessons. Set the period for which it is necessary to test. Set up the market data format. Choose the necessary instrument for testing. And click OK. In the right window, we see the built chart of candles and indicators. We will consider them in more detail in the following lessons. Switch to the Orders tab, where all strategy orders are displayed. On the Trades tab, all trades carried out for the selected period according to our strategy are displayed. Profit and Loss Curve tab displays the results of trades, showing the loss area in red and the profit area in green. On this, our lesson is over. Thank you and goodbye.